Good morning, everybody. It is October 10, 2021. I'm across the street where the perpetrator, John Perky, tore down my new fence, but I installed another new one. And look at what it looks like. It's all scraped. These jealous, pathetic losers. The misguided belief that they own property that they don't. They've got no land survey, no proof, no evidence, just a big mouth of the wife threatening my worker in writing, which is a felony, by the way. But they have scratched the entire gate. Of course, they did it on the inside of the gate, facing the property. So this is where my property begins here, and it ends beyond these posts where my gate was, and Chris Knowles stole it. And here is my pink property marker. And for the record, there is a marker there. You see that metal pole? That's where their property begins. And their property begins after that. That mess back there, that hot mess that they don't care for. And then my property starts here, going down to the gate, to the road. There is a variance from 15 feet from the middle of the road outward that the town is supposed to care for, and they don't. So the other entrance to my property is directly across the street, right there. So I've got two driveways there, one driveway here, and this is one of the pathetic signs that Mary Perky posted. No trespassing signs on my property. What an asshole. And there's not even anything on it. This is how cheap the signs are. Look, it's a piece of blank paper. Maybe they actually wiped it off to dispose of the evidence, but I've got photos of it. So this is my gate post. This was my gate. Here is my property marker. A legal land survey right there. And their property marker is that wrought iron rusted pole, fence pole, approximately 3 feet beyond my property marker.